In this video, I am going to tell my opinion on different containers in kitchen and things to take care while using plastic containers. Also, I am going to show you my Tupperware collection. Some of you have asked to show Tupperware products. I don't have huge collection, but I am going to show whatever I have. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Discover with Swapna. For food storage, we use plastic containers, glass jars and steel containers. Each one has its own pros and cons. If we take steel utensils, material-wise they are health safety, we can use them roughly, available in different sizes and shapes. But these are not airtight or liquid tight, can't use to carry food safely, and these are not transparent. Glass jars. Material wise, they are health safety, transparent, generally airtight, but available in limited sizes. We have to handle carefully and we can't stack them, no space saving. And if we consider plastic containers, these are transparent, available in many sizes, easy maintenance, easy to use, can stack, space saving, generally airtight, and some are liquid tight. But downside of this is the fact that chemicals are involved in the manufacturing process. These days, everyone is shifting to steel containers and glass jars from plastic containers. I too avoid using plastic containers wherever possible. However, I don't think every plastic container is unsafe for usage. If we take care of certain things while selecting the containers and using them, I think we don't have to worry much. First thing is about BPA. BPA is a chemical compound used in manufacturing of some of the plastic containers. When we heat such containers, the chemical leaches in the food stored in it and makes it toxic. So whenever we buy containers, we have to choose BPA-free products. Next is about number codes. Bottom of every container, a number from 1 to 7 is mentioned in a small triangle. That number specifies with which material product is made and if it is safe for food or not. The plastic containers that have number 2, 4 and 5 printed at the bottom are considered safe for food storage, while the one with number 1 is a single-use container. In that case, it is meant to be used once and they should be either recycled or destroyed. For example, Bisleri water bottles. Also, we should avoid using these bottles when these are kept for long time in cars or under sun. The most dangerous is the one with number 7. It contains a dense amount of BPA and one should avoid using such plastic containers for food storage. I have given a link in the description where you can learn about these codes in detail. Please check it. Next is replacing more frequently used and washed utensils with steel ones. The more frequently we use and wash plastic containers, chances of getting scratches are more, and with the scratches there is a chance of chemical leach into food. We have replaced everyday used bowls and lunch boxes with steel ones. We are using steel water bottles instead of plastic. For salt, turmeric powder and red chilli powder, I am using glass and steel containers. It is better to use steel utensils for everyday usage as they are easy to maintain, last long, safe for health and for any kind of usage, hot or cold. Currently I am using plastic containers only for dry storage. I am using good brand products with no BPA and with number code 5. And I don't heat food and don't place hot food in plastic containers. That way I think I am using plastic in safe way. While buying containers for kitchen, my suggestion is to try to balance these 5 factors: health safety, ease of use, ease of maintenance, space saving and budget. Let me know your thoughts about it in comments. Now I am going to show my Tupperware collection. I bought these 5 years back. My kitchen used to be disorganized before I bought this. My kitchen got organized later on. I bought these products from local distributor for a great deal. According to the usage of pulses, I selected the sizes. These two containers are of 3.9 liters capacity. We can store around 3.5 kgs of pulses. I stored urad dal and tur dal in these two containers. We can store up to 2 kgs. These two are rice containers. In bigger one we can store 23 kgs of rice, and in smaller one we can store 10 kgs. These two are perfect fit here using less space. These containers can store up to 1 kg of pulses. These two can store half kg. These containers are of different brand, not Tupperware. In these 4 containers we can store up to 2 kgs of pulses. In these boxes I store dry fruits. These look so stylish and colorful, right? Generally square shaped containers are only airtight, not liquid tight. In these cute containers, I store masala powders like jeera powder, dhania powder, etc. I bought this container set to store dosa and idli batter in fridge, but due to size and shape, they are occupying more space in fridge. So, I am using this steel container to store the batters. And I am using these containers to store snacks. This is spices container box. It contains 6 cups to store different spices. But somehow I am not using this as spices container. I am just using it as airtight box, and all the cups I am using them as measuring cups. Whichever spices need measuring, I kept a cup in respective container. For example, to make dosa batter I use 1 cup of urad dal and 2 cups of rice. So I don't have to search for cup, it is available in the respective containers. In this I store onions. This container looks beautiful and solves the purpose, but somehow I felt if it is just to store onions, there are better options available in Amazon for lesser price. This is a better option I found in Amazon, where we can store many other things. I use these containers to carry food while going outdoors or for a potluck. These are stylish and comfortable to carry. As they are liquid tight, we don't have to worry about food leakage. So this is my Tupperware collection. In the description, I have added a link for Tupperware catalog. You can explore more products there. You can also buy the products from their website. I hope this video is useful for you. Before finishing this video, I am sharing a good thought with you. If you spend too much time thinking about a thing, you will never get it done. If you are first time visiting my channel, please check my previous videos. If you like those, please subscribe and click the bell icon for notifications. See you in the next video. Until then, bye.